Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify prescription coverage with Cigna, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify prescription coverage with Cigna, start by gathering your insurance card and any relevant medication information. Visit the Cigna website or open the Cigna mobile app. If you have an online account, log in using your username and password. If you don't have an account, you can create one by providing your personal information and policy details. Once logged in, navigate to the prescription drug section of your account. You will find an option to check your medication coverage there. Enter the name of your prescribed medication in the search box provided. Review the search results to determine if your medication is covered. If your medication is listed, check the associated copay and any additional information provided. If the medication is not covered, look for alternatives suggested by Cigna. You can also contact Cigna customer service for further assistance. To do this, locate the customer service number on your insurance card. Call the number and follow the prompts to speak with a representative. Provide your details, including your policy number and the medication in question. The representative will assist you in verifying coverage and provide details about your options. If necessary, ask about the prior authorization process for medications that require it. Keep a record of all information provided during the call for future reference. Once you have verified your prescription coverage, make sure to discuss any concerns with your healthcare provider. This will ensure you receive the most effective and affordable medication for your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.